another video. As you can see, we're here in Adopt Me again. And we are going to see what people will trade for our fly ride parrot. Sorry, I got a little hype. Our new giveaway target is a ride reindeer because I don't really like ride snow pumas and I traded it. Oh, a snow, I would give you a wolf for it, but I don't like snow pumas. That's why I just said I traded it. So we're going to see what people will trade. Let's get started. So as you can see, we are here in the nursery. And I really want to buy a cracked egg, but I only have $235. And I'm only 9 years old and I'm a kid, so can't get a job and go buy Robux. And I just got Robux, so. Oh, if you were in the parents crowd, remember a Rachel outfit. I want to see what people have for trade today. So it doesn't really look like a trading server. So we are going to leave and we're going to play we're going to go play in a different server because that server doesn't really look like it has the best pets. You know those servers when they really have good pets like fly ride neon unicorns, fly ride neon dragons, and all of the above. We're waiting to load in, and here we go. We loaded in. No, I would not like to purchase the mermaid mission. Wasn't like 800. They probably brought it down. So let's see what people will trade. Apparently, it doesn't really look like a trading server, but I don't want to join too many servers. I don't know why I keep just doing this. Okay, let me stop myself. I'm just doing it for no reason. Because I'm bored and I just want to do it, so let's just do that. Just be weird. We are apparently spinning around. It looks like somebody has a fly pig. Maybe it's a ride too. I never judge a book by its cover. And I'd like to talk to you guys about that. I want to tell you guys, never judge a book by its cover. I've been in that situation where I judge the book by its cover. Not an actual book, like a person by its cover. Or have I? I don't think I did. Actually, I didn't. Maybe. I want to make some Netflix subscribers so I can make a merch and I can make, a ad. _Rachel is my username. I was about to say my middle name. Oh, I see a fly penguin. Nobody likes ice cream these. Well, if you do, what? Let's see who is on for my friends. Hold on. Alright, let me make sure nothing. Oh yeah, I went on this. That's what I don't want to do. And I'm here now. As you can see, the Peppa Pig game is bleh. It's not even a Peppa Pig game. It's just disturbing. So I see a llama. I like llamas. They're my favorite animal. I want a llama. I want to go to a. I don't. Oh, is that a neon penguin? If that's a fly ride neon penguin, I will trade you my Dumbo. It's Paige. Let's see if Paige would like to trade anything for me. Oh, it's fly neon, and I'm going to decline. I was hoping for a fly ride neon because I like those. Except in snow pumas, because snow pumas are not the best. pets. You're just gonna watch me fly around until I see a trade. So much video. If you guys don't play Adopt Me, I suggest you go down onto Roblox and play some Adopt Me because it's fun. You know, I'm not telling you you have to play it. Just if you, I'm suggesting a game. So if you guys are very bored on Roblox, Adopt Me would mostly likely lighten up your day. Ooh, I see a fly right there too. So let's see if this girl will accept for these two pets. I think it's pretty worth it. It's got all that stuff. It's got that leg in it. She declined, but it's okay. Because I really wanted to trade for that unicorn. I wanted to like trade the fly right dragon. Sorry for my yawning, but you know, gotta yawn, baby. Yeah, babe. Where is that girl with the unicorn? She just flew past me, and I'm trying to find where she is. Let's see. You're gonna give 2 pets for a lemonade stand? Whoa, my chat is like so... We're actually trading Young Mermaid. Let's see what game. I have any friends in the game. Can somebody please decline? I know, where are you, mister? I'm gonna trade him because I feel bad. I declined this trade. Let's see if this person will... Oh, they want to give me... Oh, it's okay. You don't have to... I don't want that. Oh, I see another unicorn. Let's see if this person... Let's make sure it's not the same. I don't try to hide your unicorn. I saw your unicorn. Oh, that worked. Did somebody name their dog Unicorn? They better not. Really, the unicorn's not worth it for a dog. Unless you're just naming it, then I understand, but like... Unicorn's not named for a dog, because there's no true. And I might end this video off in like 2 minutes because this is getting pretty boring because nobody is just trading. So this actual video will be actually called it will be called Will People Trade Me Their Dragon and Unicorn? Bye guys, see you guys next time. Bye.